Welcome to my video on the Snap Circuits project number 13, the 2-speed fan. So I'm going to put this together today per the manual. And one thing you got to notice on this one, it's a 3-layer. So you follow the ones go down first. So everything that has a 1 by it, like the fan, the light, switch 2, and then the battery. And then you put the number 2s, which would be these connectors right here. So that's something you got to pay attention to, and finally put in the level 3s. So it's a 3-stage construction, a little more complicated than we're used to. First, I'm going to put down the battery. Like that. Then we've got the fan goes up here like such. That goes up 1, up 2, and across. And then we put down also the lamp goes right here, just following the directions best I can. Sometimes it's a little confusing. And then we put down this momentary contact switch that goes right here and parallel with it. And then there's also a connector that goes right here. That's a number 1. So I think I've got down all of my number 1s. Now I'm going to put down my number 2s. So now we've got to connect the circuit here. And then I'm going to put down a number 2 right there. And let's see, then I've got to put a number 2 right through here. And then that number 2 right there to complete that circuit. And then I put down this switch right there. Now my number 3s, I've only got this right there, and I think, oh, that's right there. I forgot to put another 1 down there. Missed that one goes there. That way they're on the same level. So this should work now. Now my switch is in the off position. Let me put my fan blade on. So what we want to see is I turn this on. Now, there we go. You can hear the fan running, you can see it running. Now if I push this momentary contact switch, what it does is it's going to short out that lamp. And I don't know if you can hear that or see that, but I'll do it a couple times. That is the switch open. Electricity is going through the lamp, causing a voltage drop. You can see it spinning more slowly. Now as I punch this switch, if you can hear it or see it, it'll speed up. And the lamp goes off. What's happening is this is essentially being shorted. You're getting more voltage to the fan, and it's turning the fan on with more voltage and makes it go faster. Okay, so I turned that off, opened that switch up, lamp came on, the fan slowed down. Now if I turn this off, then the whole thing stops. So I hope you got something out of this and learned a little bit about a fan, a lamp, and then a switching, and how the fan uses layers of different levels of voltage to make it run at different speeds. So that's a pretty good demonstration of that. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.